Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, let us see how to create a matrix in Power BI. Okay, matrix is a very important concept in Power BI. Why? Because using matrix, you can visualize few things easily. Okay, now let's get into the video and know how we can do that. Okay, in order to know about matrix, let me create one table first, okay, so that you will get some knowledge on it. Okay, um, let me just create it. Okay, I'm just trying to create it. Okay, so I'm taking it here subcategory. Okay, I'm just trying to pull subcategory. Okay, okay, let me do that. Subcategory sales. Okay, subcategory, let me do it. Okay, first let me do this. Let me remove this first. Okay. So subcategory and then sales and then profit. Okay, so here you can see that each of the category is being defined here. Okay, let me take region. Okay, let me check for the region where exactly it is residing. Let me go in the region. Okay, yeah, here you go. So here is the region. Okay, so by region you are trying to check for the category. Okay, so here you can see accessories has been repeated, right, and appliances is also repeated, and this is not user friendly. Okay, this visualization doesn't seem good. Okay, let me do slicing and dicing part. Okay, here let me do it. Okay, let me do for this. Let me change it to, okay, this fonting, and let me increase the size. Okay, so that it will be user friendly. Okay, let me target here. Okay, so here you can see that all are being showing up multiple times. Accessories is showing multiple times, appliances is showing multiple times, art. Okay, this is not user friendly. That was the reason we are going for a matrix. Okay, let me take matrix. Okay, I'm just taking it here as matrix. Okay, so here you can see that appliances, accessories are being given in are being showing as unique, right? It is showing by the region. Okay, so this is the use of matrix. Okay, I hope you have got it what I mean. Okay, so let me go here and just change the titles. Okay, titles. Okay, effects, background color, let me do. Okay, so let me change it to visual border. Okay, on, and then let me increase the header options are given. Okay, let me change the text color to this one. Okay, alternate text color as this color. Okay, so alternate background color as yellow. Okay, let me go here again. Let me horizontal grid lines, I'm changing the color. Okay, to black. Okay, so let me change the style presence. Okay, and that you can change. Let me put it default only. Okay, so this is how you can change. This is the use of matrix. Okay, in Power BI. Okay, I hope you have got it. Let me change the borders. Okay, let me change it to this color. Okay, this is how you can create a matrix in Power BI. Okay, I hope this video is helpful for you. Please subscribe to our channel so that you won't miss any of the videos. Okay, thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.